Like you're sleeping downstairs?
Okay.
What the? Oh my god. Should this guy be in freaking jail?
Hi everybody. I just got this new shirt and this shirt.
I don't care. I'm gonna stick my fist up your butthole like a freaking puppet.
Just fuck off, man.
Hey. Listen. I'm gonna stick my fist up your butthole